Hello, friends. This is Sandeep once again. Today, I want to walk you through the placement process that happens at IT Shaala. How the placement process, there are a lot of questions coming from students. So, I want to answer this in this particular video. So, first of all, placement means you working in a company. So, you are a student now, or maybe working some other company, and you want to work in some other company. So that is the definition of placement. Placement is you getting started with the work. So what happens, IT Shala, you enroll a course with different courses. There are different courses like full stack Java, full stack Python, data analytics, data science. So whatever the course you enroll, you learn the concepts, technical concepts, you build projects, then you have the mock interviews that are for you to test your knowledge. There are a lot of tests as well that you have to um, attempt. And after this technical skill set, you have to work on your resume. There also we help you. So technical trainings, obviously we are conducting the technical sessions. Along with that, we are helping you to build your resume. That is something will get shortlisted, right? So there also we help, but it is not one way process. Even though we are conducting the session, there should be some equal efforts from the students as well in the learning process as well as in the resume building process in conducting the mock interviews also. So it is not a one-way process. We also put efforts, you also put the efforts. Also, the placement opportunities. So what happens? Our team members reach out to different companies, pitching them that we have these so and so trend candidates whom you can consider for your potential job requirements. So this is outreach we do to the different companies. And then what happens? That company, if they have immediate requirement, they share with us. Or in future, if the requirement comes up and we are in their contact, they reach out to us that this is so and so requirement. So this is the regular process. So whenever there is a requirement, company sends us a requirement that we are looking for so and so developer or maybe so and so position. Then that job description is sent to us, and then that job description or job requirement we share with our students in different WhatsApp groups of your batches or maybe whatever other channels that we are using. Now, those who are interested for that particular position, they apply, and we internally do a little bit of shortlisting, not much of shortlisting since everyone deserves an opportunity. So we combine that profiles and we give it to the company. Then company shortlists that profiles based off, let's say we have sent 20 profiles. They might shortlist some of that, and those profiles which are shortlisted, they will get the interview calls or maybe further process. So in this process, we never guarantee you that you will get a job 100%. That is something a wrong commitment. Anyone is doing that. That is something false commitment, and we never tolerate that at IT Shala. So from the day one, I remember that we have never promised anyone that you will get 100% job. So what is something 100% guaranteed is that you will get the topmost quality of education. You will see our efforts in training, in conducting the mock interviews, conducting the technical sessions, presentations. So we help you every aspect. And it is also not in our control that getting you a job 100%. So that depends on company, your ability, your skill set, market situation, right? So there are n number of variables. So we cannot say that you will get 100% job, right? So no one can do that. If someone is now, there are a lot of other areas that I will be discussing also, but this is a simple process, right? Now, in the market, there are some different companies or education companies, they claim that 100% job guarantee will provide you, right? So that is a scam. No one can guarantee, no company can guarantee that. If they are guaranteeing that you are getting 100% job, and they will pressure you, they will create a urgency that to enroll in that particular course. So you have to be very much clear that you will be running away. Otherwise, if some institute is giving 100% guarantee of job, there are a lot of IITs, NITs in the country. They even cannot claim 100% placement, right? how can that particular institute can uh, say that they are going to give you 100% job, right? Even though the most qualified engineers in the country, those who have qualified IIT entrance exam, and they are in the IIT, still that particular college is not giving 100% particular guarantee, right? So how can that particular institute can give? If you look at lot of students are from tier 3 tier 4 colleges, not much of good education background, but still we are trying our best to get you a job, right? Get you a job requirement, not a job. So we just get a requirement, give it to you, and next is up to you. In this process, lot of students makes different mistakes. Number one mistake, they are not ready with the skill set. They don't have the projects. They don't have a proper resume. They have not practiced mock interviews. They don't have confidence to speak up. All these things are missing, and they are still expecting that they will get a job. Still, they are expecting they will get a job. So that is something very wrong. That is something very wrong. Now you might be saying, these people got the job, still I'm not getting the job. So look into yourself. Are you also putting the equal efforts or not? Don't depend on only institute. Try your own ways as well, right? So it is our mutual agreement, that mutual understanding, that we want also you get succeeded, get a job as soon as possible, but also you should be there also, right? In that particular effort. So wish you all the best in your job search. I hope you get job very soon, but be aware from this false promises of 100% job guarantees. That is something ruining the market. Because of that, some good institutes also are struggling with getting the students as well, because we cannot say that we'll give you 100% job, right? So students say that this particular institute is not giving 100% job guarantee. Why should I enroll in this particular training institute? I will go to someone else who is falsely claiming that they can get 100% job, right? So make your mind, use your brain, and make a informed decision. Yeah. So feel free to ask questions. Thank you for your patience and wish you all the best.